In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install online WhatsApp store builder. So, for example of this kind of script is WhatsStore SaaS. Now, let's look at some of the features. WhatsStore SaaS is here to offer you a seamless transition from the back end of your store to the front end. So you can easily upload your content from the back end, then get it in your front end. Another stuff like creating catalog and receiving orders on WhatsApp right from managing the product inventories to fulfilling orders. So these is just few of the features of this script. You can just look at the demo site as well. Let's look at the demo site. So this is the login page. Then we log in. Now, after purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. For script installation and customization, you can use the engagement link in the description to help you customize or install or develop your app. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you an example of a script I developed from scratch, which I can help you to develop yours if you engage me. So from my file manager, I go to my subdomain I'll be using for this testing purpose, which is this. I have already uploaded my script here, then I set it to extract files. So next I just click on this. This is a started file, so let me open it. So I'm going to move all the content, that's the directories, folder and files. I'll move them to the root folder. Move files. After that, I click on back. Now let me copy my subdomain, open a new tab, place it there. Then I click on enter. So next I click on check requirements. All these are set. I click on check permissions. So now I will go back to my file manager and set storage framework logs, storage upload, and give them permission of 777. So file manager, starting from my storage, save. I open the folder. So now I'll give the framework 777. Save. Logs. Save. And upload. Okay, let me go back to my site. Framework logs and uploads. Framework logs and uploads. So I'll go back to Bootstrap cache. So I click on back. So Bootstrap cache, I'll give you 777. Save. Next one is what? Resources blank. So I click on back again. I go to resources, blank. Here is it. I change the permission. Now let me go back to my site. I refresh it this time around. Now all are set. I click on configure environment. Let me say for form wizard setup. Now I will go back to my cPanel, then my database, to create my database for this site. So now let me go back to my cPanel. This time around I'm going to databases. Okay, so let me name my DB as WhatsStore. Yes, let me name it as this. I can create database. Okay, click on go back. So let me scroll down. WhatsStore. Let me copy this. Okay. User. I prefer to use my database username like this. Okay. Then I click on create user. After creating my user and my database successfully, I click on go back. Next, I'm going to add my user to my database. Let me scroll down to do that. I'll make sure I select one I just created. WhatsStore DB user. WhatsStore DB. Yes, I click on add. Next, I'm going to give all privileges to the user. Then scroll down to make changes. So success. Now let me copy my user database username. Database name, username, database name. Yes, that's my database username. That's my database name. Okay. Now let me store my app name. Let's say WhatsStore. Okay. Now next I'm going to click on install. So I just click on this. Installation finish means application has been successfully installed. I've successfully installed this application, so I can log in with these credentials or for super admin. This. Let me just scroll down. Click here to exit. Now let me log in with owner. Yes, this. And I click on login. So here I click on close. This is my dashboard. As you can see, I successfully installed it. I can click on create new store, my WhatsApp. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And to engage me, use the engage me link in the description to engage me to help you install, customize or develop your app, be it e-commerce, school management system, your web application generally, or mobile application. Use the engagement link in the description. As I said earlier, from the beginning of this tutorial, I said I will show you after my demo site for e-commerce that I built. Got it. So this shop, I can go to shop. I will see all the products. Here are the products. Here is the category. I can go to groceries category. Okay, this is the price. This is the discount price. I can click on this to add to cart, wish list, and I can also look at product description. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for your web application or software development, kindly use the engagement link in the description to engage me. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.